The history of Israel and the Palestinians is a complex and deeply rooted narrative that spans centuries. It is a story marked by competing national aspirations, conflicts, and efforts to find a peaceful resolution to one of the world's most intractable disputes. To understand the present situation, it is essential to delve into the historical background of both parties. Ancient roots. The roots of the Israeli-Palestinian conflict can be traced back thousands of years. Historically, the land currently known as Israel and the Palestinian territories has been inhabited by various groups, including Canaanites, Israelites, Philistines, and others. The region has also been a crossroads for different empires, from the Egyptian and Assyrian to the Roman and Byzantine. Zionism and the Balfour Declaration. The late 19th century saw the rise of political Zionism, a movement advocating for the establishment of a Jewish homeland in Palestine, then part of the Ottoman Empire. In 1917, the Balfour Declaration, issued by the British government during World War I, expressed support for the establishment in Palestine of a national home for the Jewish people. This declaration laid the groundwork for future Jewish immigration to Palestine. British Mandate and Arab Opposition. Following World War I, the League of Nations granted Britain a mandate to administer Palestine. Jewish immigration increased during this period, leading to tension between Jewish settlers and the Arab population. Arab opposition to Jewish migration and land purchases grew, culminating in the Arab Revolt of 1936 to 1939. UN Partition Plan and the 1948 War. In 1947, the United Nations proposed a partition plan for Palestine, recommending the division of the land into separate Jewish and Arab states, with an internationalized Jerusalem. While Jewish leaders accepted the plan, Arab leaders rejected it. In 1948, Israel declared its independence, sparking a war with neighboring Arab states. The war resulted in an armistice and the displacement of hundreds of thousands of Palestinian Arabs. Occupation and the Palestinian refugee issue. After the 1948 war, Israel controlled a significant portion of the territory initially designated for the Arab state. The conflict led to a protracted refugee crisis, with many Palestinian Arabs forced to flee their homes. The issue of Palestinian refugees remains a central point of contention today. The Six-Day War and territorial disputes. In 1967, Israel fought a brief but pivotal war with its Arab neighbors, capturing the West Bank, Gaza Strip, Sinai Peninsula, and Golan Heights. This event reshaped the geopolitical landscape and further complicated the conflict. The Israeli occupation of these territories continues to be a source of tension. Peace efforts and ongoing conflict. Numerous peace initiatives and negotiations have taken place over the years, including the Oslo Accords, the Camp David Summit, and the Annapolis Conference. Despite occasional breakthroughs, a comprehensive and lasting peace agreement remains elusive. Conclusion. The history of Israel and the Palestinians is a tale of intertwined national narratives, territorial disputes, and deep-seated grievances. It is a story of complex geopolitical forces and the enduring quest for self-determination and security by both parties. While the road to peace remains challenging, understanding the historical context is crucial for envisioning a more stable and harmonious future in the region.